Grandma saying dark joke. Me. The rest of the family. 9 out of 10 dentists. Colgate. 1 out of 10 dentists. God Satan. Me putting the USB in the wrong way for 27th time. Me understanding an adult joke that I shouldn't get. My dad. My mom. 0.1% of germs. Hand sanitizer. 99.9% of germs. When you tell a slightly offensive joke at the dinner table. My grandpa. Me. My father. When you bring your girlfriend home to meet your mother and she starts telling all your embarrassing stories from childhood. My mom. My girlfriend. Me. My mom at the grocery store. Someone she knows. Me. New toothpaste releases. Dentists. When someone in a movie can't explain something. I dunno man. Seems kinda quantum to me. Accidentally googled Pastor Yoda instead of Master Yoda. I was not disappointed. Hunter. Tracking deer take years of practice. Deer. Students. Where's the $100 we gave for the field trip that didn't happen? Schools. Me when I close a jar as tight as I can so future me will have a hard time opening it. What everyone else saw. What 10-year-old me saw. People thanking God for surviving 6 months of 2020. God. You guys are still alive. Introverts visiting more than 2 places in a day. I'm going for an adventure. When I accidentally call someone. Task manager to all the non-responding apps. Parents, you don't have to come if you don't want to. Me, alright I'm not coming then. Parents. Me, smiles a little while telling the truth. My mom. The world of memes began from this image. That one molecule of serotonin trying to keep me going throughout the day. If you want to save the money at Christmas, now's the perfect time to tell the kids that Santa didn't make it through the pandemic. Well, I just wanna say that I'm a huge fan. Me getting my parents to stop crying. My parents getting me to stop crying. Ordering PC parts in pandemic. When you are grocery shopping and see someone you knew from high school. Happiness is submission to Godzilla. Happy Godzilla noises. When you finish a good movie in Netflix and see that there's a sequel. Local potato happy today. Everyone, we need a third candidate. The third candidate. My friend becoming the funniest guy ever in front of my crush. Me who has never seen him crack a joke before. Me when I'm not immediately good at a new skill. When you playing with the boys at 3 AM and you hear footsteps coming to your door. My time has come. You must continue your journey without me. I have magical hair. I have ice magic. Okay, so basically I'm very small. Brings my pet into my room. My pet leaves me. I feel my heart crack. Google, help. Somebody logged into your account from an unknown device. You might be a victim of hacking or identity theft. Me. I have magical hair. I have ice magic. I have got a jar of dirt. I have magical hair. I have ice magic. I have a talking donkey. Crush. I love boys who can cook. Me. Me. Gets bullied. Mom, we should call the principal. Dad, you must learn to fight back. Grandma. How it looked. How it felt. I have magical hair. I have ice magic. I have Shrek. A fan in Israel is 6 meter high. The fan. Well, I just wanna say that I'm huge fan. Girls hints be like. People in Tom and Jerry be like. Iron Man. Batman. People who had to get actual superpowers. Drug dealers counting their money. It ain't honest, but it's much. 6-year-old me tries writing with a pen instead of a pencil. The teacher. Couples on House Hunter be like, hi, I'm preschool teacher and my husband is a cursive tutor and our budget is 1.2 million. Mom, use your own money. Me. Every once in a while I check up on people I hate to make sure I still hate them. I do. Me. There are numbers smaller than 0. Second graders. This is blasphemy. This is madness. Does he even have a job? He's a meme lord daddy. Discovering something that doesn't exist. Toothpaste that 10 out of 10 dentists recommend. Mexico. Mexico in American movies. When you make something with extra Lego pieces. Introverts thinking about that one question someone asked them a year ago. There's always a bigger fish. Girls, I dreamt that Tyler cheated on me. Boys. Me thinking about that one t-shirt I haven't seen in a while. Lady, we heard pretty girls don't pay for drinks around here. Bartender, they don't. Here's your bill. Now that's a lot of damage. When you come back to the charger and find out your little brother took out your phone at 2% and plugged in his tablet at 80%. My mom killing the spider in bathroom. 20-year-old me. When she says come over and she has a Lego set for us to build. Me going to get some pizza rolls at 2.45 am. My dog following me thinking he's getting some. When Netflix asks if you are still there and you catch a glimpse of your reflection in the black TV screen. Burglar breaks into my house at 3 am. Me eating in the kitchen. Therapist, unleash the tiger inside you. The tiger inside me. Describe to me what is infinite to you. Me. The first guy to properly cross the road must have been like. When you finally set up all of your toy cars, but your mom says it's time for bed. When you are waiting to tell a joke, but the conversation starts to change. Me when hungry. Me after eating. I have magical hair. I have ice magic. I have the high ground. Me coming out of my room after sleeping for 12 hours to do nothing productive for the rest of the day. My mom explaining what's wrong with me to the doctor. Me. When you buy a bottle that is made of plastic from sea and you throw it back in the sea. When you are watching a movie and someone says the name of the country you live in. When someone says something controversial, but you don't have enough energy to write a massive 12-part series on how they are wrong.